In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive into the process. First, log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're in, look for your user profile icon. This is typically your initials or profile picture, located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option that says View Profile. Once you've selected that, you'll be taken to your profile configuration page. Here's where the fun begins. On the left-hand sidebar of this page, you'll see various options you can adjust about your profile. This is where we need to focus on finding the signature box. Just look for the area labeled Signature. It should be pretty visible, and that's where we'll be crafting your signature. Now, let's work on creating your signature. In this text input area, you can type out your name, your job title, or even your company information. Feel free to personalize it however it fits your style. But here's a neat little trick. Zendesk allows you to use dynamic placeholders. For example, if you want to auto-populate your contact details in the emails you send out, you can use something like agent.email. This automatically fills in your email address in the emails you send to customers, which is super handy. After you've spent some time crafting your signature and making sure it looks just right, it's time to save your changes. You'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. In most cases, Zendesk will have auto-saved your specific panel as you are making changes, so you might not see a traditional Save button. But if you do get prompted to finalize your settings, just click the Save button you see there. And there you have it. You've successfully added your signature in Zendesk, making your email communications look professional and polished. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that keeping your signature updated is also a good practice. As your role changes, or if you get a new phone number or email address, remember to revisit this signature box and update your details accordingly. It can make a significant difference in how you're perceived by clients and colleagues alike. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has made adding a signature in Zendesk easy and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.